Hey traders, skip this video only if you're ready to blow your next account and if you don't care about your future life.
Right.
Scroll past if you're not ready to stop gambling in the markets.
Okay.
Because this message, it's not for signal chasers, not for Forex dreamers, and definitely not for those who treat this as a get-rich-quick game. This is for serious traders.
Okay.
Those who are tired of the emotional roller coaster, tired of gambling, tired of blowing rent money chasing fake profits and hype. If you think I'm lying, go ahead, close this video and keep doing what you've been doing. Keep losing. But if you're ready to shift your mindset, to trade for a purpose, to treat Forex like the full-time business it truly is, then keep listening.
Okay.
Because what I'm about to tell you might just save your future in trading. Quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. Trading in the Forex market involves real risk, and you, yes, you are fully responsible for every trade you take.
Okay.
This isn't to scare you. It's to make you sharp. Trade wisely, protect your capital, and never risk what you can't afford to lose. This video is proudly sponsored by the Full-Time Pro Forex Indicator, a powerful, proven tool for traders who want more clarity and control in their trades. If you'd like to try it out, the link is in the description below.
Okay.
Now, here's the thing. Forex will break you. Mentally, emotionally, financially. It will chew you up and spit you out unless you learn what I'm about to say. And honestly, most traders never learn it. They come in hyped up, thinking they'll flip a $100 account to $10,000 in a month, and instead, they blow it in 3 trades. Sound familiar? Yeah, I know. Let me guess. You've been there. You've blown account after account. You've pulled all-nighters, staring at the charts, sweating over drawdown, praying your trade turns around while your stomach's in knots. You've lied to yourself about just one more entry, even when you know you're breaking every rule you wrote down. And you felt that hit, that gut punch, when the market wipes you out and you have to face your partner, your family, your own reflection, knowing you lost again.
Okay.
And the truth is, you've been gambling. You can call it trading all you want, but if you're over-leveraging, chasing after random entries, copying some so-called guru who can't even show a verified track record, you're not trading. You're pulling the slot machine lever and hoping. And hope is not a strategy. See, the market doesn't care. It doesn't care if you need rent money by Friday. It doesn't care that your car payment is due. It doesn't care that you're tired, broke, or desperate. This is a battlefield, and the ones who survive are the ones who stop thinking like gamblers and start operating like business owners.
Okay.
Bottom line, knowing your strategy is not enough. I don't care how many courses you've taken or indicators you've downloaded, until you master discipline, risk management, and emotional control, you will keep donating your money to the market every single time.
Okay.
You know your lot size, but you double it anyway. You see your stop loss hit, but you move it further away. You're in drawdown, but you open another trade just to get even. That's not trading, that's sabotage. And if you keep doing it, this market will break you so bad you'll never want to open a chart again.
Okay.
I know because I've been there. I've sat in front of my screen with my heart pounding, thinking, how the hell did I do this again? I've been broke, embarrassed, angry at myself. I've chased every shiny new setup thinking this was the one, and watched it all crash. It wasn't until I stopped asking what's the best entry and started asking what kind of trader am I becoming that things changed. And I realized the traders who win don't win because they have magic strategies. They win because they stick to boring, repeatable, disciplined processes that don't feed their ego, but feed their account over time.
Okay.
So here's the deal. You want to stop the pain? Stop trading like a degenerate gambler. Start trading like a business owner. That means you protect capital, like your life depends on it. You journal every single trade like a scientist. You know when not to trade, and you're okay with walking away. Because the crazy part is, most traders fail, not because they can't win, but because they can't stop themselves from losing.
Okay.
So let me ask you right now, why are you in this game? Is it to win? Or just to survive another week? Because if your answer is survival, the market will smell it, see, and it will eat you alive. If this hit you in the gut, good. That means you're ready. Ready to stop the gambling cycle. Ready to start building a track record you can be proud of. Ready to become the kind of trader who doesn't just survive, but thrives. Smash that like button, subscribe, share this with another trader who needs to hear the truth. And if you're serious about growth without the fluff, join the Daily Victory FX channel.
Okay.
We don't build hype here. We build traders. And before you take your next trade, pause for a second, breathe, And ask yourself, am I doing this to win, or am I just trying not to lose? Because that answer will decide everything. So, listen. If you're still here, it means you're not like the masses. You're not that guy who blows his account on a Tuesday and comes back on Wednesday like nothing happened. You're here because something inside you knows you can't keep doing this to yourself. And I get it. The pain runs deep. You've seen those sleepless nights, staring at the charts at 3 a.m., hoping the market will turn in your favor, your heart pounding every time a candle flicks the wrong way. You've hidden losses from your partner because you didn't want to hear that I told you so. You've opened the trading app in the bathroom at work just to see if maybe this time you're up. That's not freedom, that's chains.
Okay.
Here's the thing, the market is not your friend. It's not your therapist. It's not your savior. The market is a mirror. It reflects exactly who you are, and right now. For most traders, that reflection is impatience, greed, and fear wrapped in a lot of denial. You think the problem is your stop loss getting hunted? No. The problem is you don't respect the stop loss in the first place.
Okay.
You think it's about the broker? No. It's about the fact you're risking rent money on trades you haven't even journaled. And here's the scary part. If you don't change your habits now, nothing else matters. You could buy every course, join every mentorship, slap 20 indicators on your chart, but if your mindset is broken, your account will always follow.
Okay.
Let me tell you something that took me years to learn. In Forex, your edge isn't your entry, it's your discipline. It's your ability to do the boring stuff every single day, even when it feels like nothing's happening. It's walking away from the screen when your setup's not there, instead of forcing a trade just because you're bored. You see, the real traders, they're not on Instagram flashing withdrawals. They're in the background, doing the work no one claps for. They're in control. Not because they never lose, but because they never let a loss control them.
Okay.
And that's what I'm telling you. Until you become that trader, Forex will break you. It'll chew up your confidence, drain your bank account, and spit you out bitter and broke. And get this, the second you stop thinking like a gambler and start acting like a risk manager, everything shifts. You stop chasing the market. You start letting the market come to you. And when that happens, that's when consistency is born.
Okay.
So ask yourself right now, are you done playing, or do you need to feel that pain a few more times before you get serious? Because the truth is, the market doesn't care either way.
Okay.
But your future? Oh, it does. Because let me tell you, there's a moment in every trader's journey where the game stops being a game.
Okay.
That moment is usually right after the worst loss of your life. That's when you either quit or you get dangerous. And by dangerous, I don't mean reckless.
Okay.
I mean unshakable. I mean the trader who shows up the same way, whether they're in profit or drawdown. The trader who isn't swayed by a single candle. The trader who sees the long game so clearly, they stop chasing short-term highs.
Okay.
But here's the reality. Most never get there. They quit too soon. They let one bad week erase years of potential. They let ego, greed, or fear write the ending of their story. And I don't want that for you.
Okay.
Not after everything you've already been through. You've taken the hits, you've eaten the losses, you've already paid the price in pain. So why waste it by walking away now? This is the part where you either double down on discipline or keep donating to the market like it's a charity. This is the part where you either step into the trader you said you'd become, or keep pretending you'll get serious next time. I'm telling you, there is no next time. There's only now. Now is when you simplify. Now is when you protect capital like your life depends on it. Now is when you commit to one setup, one plan, and one goal: mastery. And if you're ready for that, then this is where we go from talk to action.
Okay.
Subscribe to Daily Victory FX. Plug into the mindset shifts we're building here and start trading like your future depends on it. Because it does. This market will keep moving with or without you.
Okay.
The question is, will you be in the game as a player or as just another casualty?